Agile portfolio management can make scenario analysis really, really useful. Why? Well, everything in your portfolio is an assumption. Everything in your portfolio is hypothetical. So it's just one of the scenarios that you've selected. You think, well, this might be the one. But we know it's wrong because it's all hypothetical. So the more scenario analysis you make and you analyze which options you have or strategic bets you have, the better it is. And of course you will make a decision and you will execute on it. But then Agile portfolio management comes into place because your teams start to execute. They're going to realize the strategy you thought of and they're going to create data because everything you will do in your sprints by your teams is a kind of an experiment, and that data can be fed back into your portfolio management. And if you then have made scenario analysis, you can have the data and say, hey, but if the data shows this, we better switch scenario. And you don't have to do it all the time because you have made your scenarios up front. So scenario analysis can be really useful, also within the communication with your stakeholders and among each others, balancing out your portfolio. And if you have done your scenarios, the actual data can help you to shift faster and sooner from scenario to scenario. So, in short, scenario analysis, really useful in Agile portfolio management.